Welcome back to another episode of the Cosmic Insights, your trusted guide to unlocking life's greatest mysteries. I'm your host, and today we are diving deep into a fascinating and ancient astrological tradition known as Nadi astrology. Have you ever wondered if your entire life was written thousands of years ago? Stick around because today we are exploring exactly that. Now, many of you might be wondering what exactly is Nadi astrology. Imagine visiting an ancient library in southern India where your entire past, present, and future are neatly written on palm leaves. These aren't just ordinary palm leaves, they are ancient manuscripts inscribed by sages centuries ago, waiting for the right person to arrive and read their destiny. Fascinating, isn't it? So, how does this incredible process actually work? Let's take a quick example. Imagine Anna, who always felt like something was holding her back professionally. Despite her best efforts, promotions always slipped away. She visited an Nadi astrologer who astonishingly had a palm leaf that matched her thumbprint. It described events from her life with uncanny accuracy, including specific hurdles and practical solutions. By following the insights from Nadi astrology, Anna finally unlocked doors she never knew existed. I know what you are thinking. How accurate can this really be? And what role does Astrobhava play in this mystical journey? Glad you asked. At Astrobhava, we are passionate about making authentic Nadi astrology accessible to everyone. Our experienced team of astrologers is dedicated to helping you find your unique palm leaf manuscript, translating ancient wisdom into actionable insights tailored specifically for you. Here's what sets Astrobhava apart. We don't just give you predictions, we guide you through your life's complexities. Whether it's your career, relationships, health, or spiritual growth, Astrobhava stands with you at every step, making ancient wisdom practical and relevant today. Let's quickly tackle some of your burning questions about Nadi astrology. Here's a common one. How can a leaf written thousands of years ago have details about my life? Great question. Ancient sages with incredible foresight and spiritual power documented the destinies of individuals they foresaw in deep meditative states. These manuscripts are organized and accessed through unique thumbprints, making them astonishingly personal and accurate. Another frequently asked question: what if my leaf isn't found? Well, the tradition states that your leaf will appear when you are genuinely ready for the insights. Sometimes patience and timing play a crucial role, and our experts at Astrobhava support you throughout this process. Finally, can Nadi astrology change my destiny? Nadi astrology isn't about changing your destiny, it's about understanding it deeply and taking empowered actions. It helps you navigate life's pathways effectively. At Astrobhava, we help interpret these insights, guiding you to align with your true potential. Before we wrap up, let's hear one more quick story. Ravi, an entrepreneur who was struggling with continuous business losses, he visited Astrobhava skeptical yet curious. His leaf reading clearly outlined specific challenges and provided remedies and insights into auspicious timings. Following these insights, Ravi's business transformed dramatically, proving once again how powerful Nadi astrology can be when guided correctly. So, dear listeners, if you are intrigued by the magic of Nadi astrology and wonder how it might illuminate your life's path, remember, Astrobhava is here to guide you. Connect with us today and embark on a journey towards greater clarity, fulfillment, and purpose. Visit our website at astrobhava.com and take your first step into ancient wisdom of Nadi astrology. Thanks for joining me today on the Cosmic Insights. Until the next time, keep looking up. The universe has a lot to say.